There are few places in the world that encapsulate diversity, opportunity, and the buzz of city life quite like Toronto, Ontario. As Canada's largest city, Toronto has long stood at the nexus of culture, commerce, and innovation. But why is Toronto so special? And why should it be on your list of must-visit destinations or even potential places to live? Here are compelling reasons that underscore the appeal of this fascinating metropolis. A tapestry of cultures. Toronto is a cultural mosaic in the truest sense. Home to over 200 ethnic groups speaking more than 140 languages, the city is a celebration of global diversity. Neighborhoods like Chinatown, Little India, and Greektown offer windows into the world, each with its own vibrant culture, cuisine, and festivals. This diversity doesn't just make for a great tourist experience, it also fosters an environment of inclusivity and acceptance. The skyline that defines Canada. When one thinks of Canadian cityscapes, Toronto's skyline is often the first image that comes to mind. Dominated by the CN Tower, once the world's tallest freestanding structure, the skyline reflects the city's ambitions and achievements. The juxtaposition of historic buildings with modern skyscrapers creates an architectural panorama that tells the story of Toronto's past, present, and future. Artistic endeavors and cultural richness. Toronto is the heartbeat of Canada's art scene. Whether it's the annual Toronto International Film Festival that attracts A-list celebrities or local galleries that showcase budding Canadian artists, the city is a hub for creative minds. The Royal Ontario Museum and the Art Gallery of Ontario offer world-class collections, while venues like the Princess of Wales Theatre host performances that rival Broadway and the West End. Financial and commercial epicenter. Toronto is Canada's economic engine, hosting the headquarters of various sectors, including finance, technology, and healthcare. The Toronto Stock Exchange is the largest in Canada and the third largest in North America by market capitalization. For business travelers and aspiring professionals, Toronto is not just a destination but a land of opportunities. Nature in the midst of urbanity. Amidst its skyscrapers and busy streets, Toronto offers a surprising abundance of green spaces. The Toronto Islands offer a tranquil escape with stunning city views, while High Park provides a sprawling space for recreation and relaxation. The city's commitment to sustainability and green living makes it ideal for those who seek a balanced urban experience. Sports and spirit. Sports are more than just games in Toronto, they are a part of the city's identity. From the euphoria surrounding the Raptors' NBA championship win in 2019 to the die-hard fans of the Maple Leafs and the Blue Jays, sports events here are celebrations that bring the community together. Intellectual hub. Home to renowned institutions like the University of Toronto and Ryerson University, the city attracts scholars and students from around the globe. The culture of innovation and academic excellence makes Toronto a hotbed for research, startups, and intellectual discourse. Accessibility and connectivity. Toronto's well-designed public transport system and its status as a major flight hub make it an easily accessible city, both for international travelers and those coming from other parts of Canada. Toronto, a microcosm of the world. In summary, Toronto is more than just Canada's largest city. It's a microcosm of the world, encapsulating diverse cultures, economic vigor, educational excellence, and a spirit of inclusivity and innovation. Whether you're a tourist looking for a rich cultural experience, a businessperson exploring opportunities, or a student seeking quality education, Toronto offers something for everyone.